On today's Body Cam, we're checking out entitled Brad Trash's Burger King gets stopped cold on city bus.
On July 10th, 2024, officers with the West Allis Police Department responded to a Burger King in West Allis, Wisconsin, after employees reported a woman was yelling, throwing items, and causing a disturbance inside the restaurant.
The cop pulled over the bus?
Before officers arrived, the woman boarded a Milwaukee County Transit bus across the street, prompting officers to stop the bus and make contact.
They mad as hell. Oh, well, I guess we found who it was, didn't we?
Told me to leave, never told me nothing.
Okay, fair enough.
I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm gonna be 100.
Fair enough. We just
I'm not gonna play that shit. She wanna come to me like I did something wrong in that store. I never did. I start throwing shit at her.
Fair enough. Can we just talk to you out here for a second, please?
Y'all gotta arrest me.
Thank you. Well, no, we just want to make everybody have to wait while we talk to you. Well, what's going on today?
No, that lady come at me reckless every time she see me. She don't give me a break for nothing.
Okay.
She know I'm a homeless person.
Okay.
I come in there, ask food or buy my food, whatever the case may be. They give me free food. Just not that bitch. She's a cook, and she always comes from the kitchen and say something reckless to me.
Okay. Can you just take a seat on the curb for a second while we figure out what's going on?
Why? I'm not sitting on the curb. Y'all might as well arrest me. What y'all got to say to me?
Because we're trying to talk
I'm not
to you.
finna sit down.
Well, you seem like you're really agitated.
I'm not no curb type of bitch.
Okay. Well, we're just trying to figure out what's going on. So can you give me a
I just told you what's going on. That bitch won't give me a break. That's what the fuck that kind of story is.
Okay. Fair enough. Can you just put your stuff down and take a seat for me while I figure
Okay,
this
y'all
out?
gonna arrest me. Just say that.
I don't
You
know.
trying to sneak attack a motherfucker?
No. If I knew I was going to arrest you, I would have
They
done
don't
it
get you
already.
all podcast because you all
Part
some
of the
punk ass
problem is
bitches.
you're being really angry
Okay.
and screaming. So
Right.
I
You all
can just-
talk like some gentlemen. Fuck you mean, bitch.
Well,
Fuck you mean.
we hadn't even gotten
Fuck
this
you
far.
mean. Don't do that weird shit.
Okay, fine.
I ain't did shit but punk all lady. That bitch shit. Nah, bitch, that motherfucker should have been on my ass like that. And I'm good people. I'm good to everybody I meet. That bitch she steady on my ass for no reason because she an ugly bitch. I'm too pretty for that shit. I'm too fucking pretty for that shit. Bitch, suck my daddy dick, hoe.
Stop yelling.
You fucking ugly motherfucking pussy ass nigga.
Bro, Walker, you're gonna get arrested.
Y'all got enough training in this.
That's what I'm thinking, because he hyping up the situation. I think we need to get a 2-for-1 special.
That bitch need to go to motherfucking animal shelter with her ugly looking ass. That bitch like a shih tzu Eno. That bitch like a fucking dumbass dog.
Yeah, what's the name of the
She
dog?
always coming up. She not the fucking manager. Who the fuck is she telling me to leave that motherfucking
Shih
manager not
Tzu.
even there? She got herself walking up to me like she doing something. Bitch, I don't get no fuck. I'll be back in that motherfucker to whoop her ass. I bet she said something to me.
Don't start spitting.
I got chicken in my mouth. How y'all just gonna read me like that? Get my stuff. Can't leave it out here. No, that's my property.
All right.
Y'all gonna grab my shit.
Stand up.
No, y'all gonna grab my shit.
Grab it, relax, chill the fuck out.
Stop fucking trying to kick me.
Bitch, don't twist my ass like that.
Stop.
You're
Settle
being ridiculous.
down.
Why would I leave my shit right there?
We're gonna
go
fucking get it, but we gotta deal with your dumb ass first.
Look at how you're
I ain't
acting.
no dumbass, he is.
Open the car door. Who's the one that's
Get
sitting
your
here
heavy
like
ass the fuck off me. Alright, all you do is make me stronger.
I doubt that.
Yo, she got all these remarks about looks and weight and oh man, damn man, I'm gonna just leave it at that, man. Damn man, and I know I'll be saying my stuff sometime, but come on, man, it's a little much right here, boy.
Bitch, I'm a daddy, ho.
I believe
I'll
that.
punch your motherfucking ass.
All right, stand up.
Bitch ass nigga. Y'all ain't hooligans. I bet y'all gonna take me to the hospital too.
For what?
Cause what the fuck is wrong with y'all?
Sit down.
I'm already fucking seated.
Don't. Jesus Christ.
Bitch, suck my pussy, ho. You fucking asinine ass bitch.
You ain't gonna fucking spit on us.
I'll bite the shit out you. Move your hand. Move your hand closer. Move your hand. I'll bite the shit out you. I'll bite the motherfucking mess out your damn shit.
Relax.
See y'all illegal.
There or no? No.
That's why you keep all y'all shit.
This way.
They getting all y'all shit. I'm getting all y'all shit.
Stop.
Y'all might well send me to the ambulance because y'all pressuring me.
What? You got a spit hood?
Y'all putting abuse on me.
Just shut it.
I'll take this bitch ass seatbelt the fuck off. Bitch, what the fuck you do that for?
Nothing's actually broken, just a whole lot of disorderly behavior.
Bitch, you are disorderly! You fucking dumbass bitches! Y'all could never have me! Y'all could never have me! You fucking pussies! You're a pussy! You're a pussy! You're a fucking pussy!
She spit on you?
Yeah. Spit in the face, right?
Bitch! You stupid fucking bitches!
Should look too. I wonder if
It's
she
too
has
much
no-
cursing, man.
They didn't charge her with Scotty P? She's got a
No, I think
felony
they kicked
case.
them all back.
For donkey kicking him in the knee? He got like hurt.
Oh, that one.
My guess is she has an open felony case.
No accountability. No accountability for your actions. You act like the officers just come there to get you, to pick on you. No, they get called there, and they're called there because of your actions. And you probably will like it better in jail versus being out on the street because you're homeless, right? You don't have to go begging for food or panhandling or whatever you're doing. You're going to get 3 hots and a cot.
Do it for me, baby. With the double shot, you know we all went crazy.
What's that, lamb? Like I thought he was trying to be funny.
You stupid fucking cops! I fucking hate y'all! You fucking ugly bitches! I hate y'all! I hate
What'd she do? Throw a whopper at the employee or what?
I have no idea.
Throw a whopper at the employee.
Y'all some reckless ass bitches! That's why y'all gonna eat your dicks!
No, I'll deal with all that later.
She tweaking out.
You reckless ass ugly fucker! You ugly fucking fucker! I should spit on you! You dirty fucking rat!
Wow, this is unbelievable.
Stupid fucking abuser!
Continue with Joanna Better for booking. If there's somebody that could get self-4 ready.
You stupid fucking dirty ass pussy bitch! You fucking pussy bitch! You fucking pussy ass bitch!
Back we go.
I hate y'all dumbasses! Hurry the fuck up, you fucking ugly prick! You fucking short little bitch! You're hurting my ribs too, I'm telling on your ass!
Unsurprisingly, Joanne continued screaming for the remainder of the ride to the West Dallas Police Department.
Alright, are you gonna be able to come out and follow directions and stuff?
Most likely.
What's that? What's that?
I said I can! You hurt my fucking chest! Why would I yell?
I don't know, I was just asking if you can come out. You're kicking and spitting at
Are
people.
you gonna play with me or fucking arrest me, you pussy?
Alright, I gotta take off your seatbelt. Oh, you don't even have it on. So if you want to just step on out.
Fucking rough-handed motherfucker.
Joanne was charged with and found guilty of resisting an officer, disorderly conduct, and battery. She was sentenced to 2 years and 90 days in jail for her actions. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like.
Now hold the hell up. Hold the heck up, man. What? Listen, typically I just cut it off and I end it, but 2 years? Now I do agree, right? But the part that I don't like is that we see people do far worse things and get way less time, no time. Like, really, like, and you get 2 years for throwing a whopper at somebody, like the cops say. I'm like, I think, like I said earlier, I think she would be better off in prison or jail, because she gets 3 hots in a cot. She has the opportunity, with 2 years, she can take some vocational or trades and get something and actually come out a better, somewhat of a better person, or at least, I know she ain't gonna take advantage of that stuff because she's nuts, but it's just, damn, 2 years for that. And we see people do way worse stuff and get no time. That's just the crazy part. I'm not gonna lie, that's insane to me, man. Damn, man.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide. Crazy as footage on a midnight ride. Bounce to the rhythm. Let the bass